What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we're actually headed, or I'm headed to Speed Zone first. I'm gonna link up with the squad. Then we have a photo shoot / video shoot that we're gonna be doing. So rather than try to break everything down, we're gonna kind of just jump right into it. But before we do, just got my new jersey that came in, Fitted Squad. The back says Too Fitted and has 33. I might try to get somebody to record for me so I can throw a clip in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over to Speed Zone and link up with the squad. Alright, so here go Frantz over here at Speed Zone, getting his car washed. The mobile detailer. About to take a look at the lineup we have. It's a pretty good lineup here. I'm posted here. Definitely let me know what you guys think. The squad is showing up. Luis is here. He got a custom exhaust setup coming soon. I'm gonna see if I can be there for the install. It might be a little bit too early for me, but we'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Still waiting for some more of the homies to show up. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, which is the time we're meeting up, so they should be here pretty soon. Let me go ahead and say what's up to these guys over in Speed Zone.
Or you want to
heard them coming.
Yes, at Lake Nona. Okay. Yeah. Meet me at Lake Nona. I'll be at the number building.
All right, just pulled up, looking good.
I told them all I'm bringing the gang. I got a gang.
Got the colors. And we still have another Ultima homie coming out. He probably gonna meet us at the next location. Then a couple other homies coming. They don't have Ultimas or Maximus, but they're still gonna link up. So we'll probably see them at the next location. But as always, like I always say in these videos, let me know which one is your favorite. Which setup you like the most? We all shining together. And somebody want to come on that bike over here, but that's all good. Look good though. Alright, so we rolling out. Frantz is leading. We got the whole squad behind us. But yeah, so probably won't be doing too much recording. Just wait till we get there, and then we should be getting some rollers on the way. As long as we got enough time and space, we should be getting some. Alright, so we just got to the new location. So get this quick line up. Got a couple photographers here. Latin snaps. So yeah, we got a few rollers on the way. I'm probably gonna try to get some as well. But got the models about to start taking pictures. We good to go. Alright, got a couple personal photo shoots going on. Alright, rolling out. He about to get a photo shoot as well. We're gonna angle down here. Getting some nice shots from up here. Be pretty dope. Coming back on up. Alright, here we go. So that was quick. We just did the video going over him taking a look to see what he's gonna get, and yeah, see what he got. And Got the blue in there. 9 in the front, 10.5 in the rears. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, cause that look, I'm loving it. I think he wore the right set. Nice, yeah, it complements it very well. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, I think that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Frantz rolled out to do another video shoot, but I think that's gonna be it for this one. We got an Ace Cafe meet we might be going to, and if we are, we'll do that in another video. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.